Garden Hotel, which is not the same as the hotel that I saw in the videos, but it's a hotel nonetheless. Room number 413. Here we go. This is 412. Let's see now. What we got? Hello. No. Ooh. Yes. Old line color. Oh yeah, very nice, very good. Big TV. Yep, unbelievable. What's out here? Do we have a view? No. There is a lounge. Very nice. Very nice. A nice bed, it looks like. Great big TV. Get use out of that. And then, oh. Gotta love the telephone next to the shower. Where's the lights? Is there no light in here? I need to put the lights on in here. Hello. Okay, little light up here. Very good. Very clean. Sparkling clean, actually. Yeah. This will do. Perfect. Very good. They gave me €40 meal voucher basically. So restaurant Gordon Ramsay is here, and I might see about that. Now we'll wait and see. This is perfect.